Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on out of office turn on out of office in Gmail. It's pretty easy in Outlook, my bad. In Outlook. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So, basically out of office is basically once you send an email to anyone, it's going to send you an email right away back. It's going to tell you that I'm currently now out of office. Please make sure it's just stay tuned until I reply to your to reply for your to your email. That's basically something called automatic replies. So how we can do that, it's going to be really easy. So we're going to first of all open Outlook. Now from Outlook, you're going to go on the top left corner. Okay, from the top left corner, you're going to navigate to the top to the bottom left corner. From there, you're going to click on the your email that you want to add the automatic reply on. For my case, this. And after that, once you click on it, as you can see, you're going to find something called automatic replies. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to turn it on. And then, as you can see, you're going to specify a specific duration when you are out of office, actually from your office. So in my case, let's say it starts on let's say from Sunday. It starts from Sunday all the way. Okay, it starts from Sunday and it ends on Friday. Okay. It ends on Friday, okay? And as you can see, once you do that, you're going to reply to everyone out of office. Okay, and after that, you're going to click on the tick, and anyone is going to send you a message. You're going to, at that time period, it's going to tell you that you're out of office. So yeah, guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.